It's Wednesday, February 26, 2014. Good morning. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. We have more lake effect snow to talk about. We'll take a look at the latest radar in just a moment. A snowy Thursday in store for you as another system moves through and brings some more snow. And will we have a messy end to the weekend? Get all the details and much more starting right now. The cold air has returned to northeastern Ohio this morning. Along with it, we have some lake effect snow showers. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Otherwise, we're looking at some snow across portions of the mid-Ohio Valley up into the mid-Atlantic states, going all the way up towards New York. Showers and even some thunderstorms across portions of the southeast this morning from southeastern Texas all the way up into the Carolinas. But the big story, of course, is the cold air we have. And you can see that pretty much from Detroit on to the north. Even some negative teens out here this morning. Otherwise, we're looking at some single-digit below zero temperatures and close to zero in other places. That's going to be joining us, though, for the next, few days. Look out in California here. They're actually getting some rainfall. Boy, they need it out there. And they're actually going to be entering a period of a lot of rainfall here over the next several days if some of the model solutions do pan out, and they could use the rain out there. Across our area this morning, it's cold, that's for sure. Temperatures in the teens. We're at 13 downtown Cleveland, 9 in Ashtabula and Youngstown, 11 Ravenna, 14 at Akron, Canton, and Dover, New Philly, 9 at Mansfield, and 10 at Worcester. And look at this, we do have a lake effect snow band getting on shore here, and we'll take a look real close at that in just a moment. Wind chills this morning actually aren't that bad. You're at -3 in Cleveland, -2 Lorain, 1 above Akron, Canton, 4 below in Ravenna. The more extreme values, -8 in Ashtabula and -6 in Worcester. So just keep in mind as you head out, make sure you bundle up and dress in layers. Let's take a look at the snow band coming on shore right here. It's affecting pretty much the eastern suburbs, Euclid, down towards Mayfield and Solon, so pretty much along and north of 480, the 271 corridor as usual, getting snow on up into Chardon as well. We also have another little band here developing from Vermilion going down to Akron in the secondary snow belt. That one's just producing light snow showers. However, at times it could get briefly moderate. Same with this other band up here on the east side. That one looks like a little bit heavier here into west central Geauga County. So do be careful if you're driving. Any of the untreated roads will be pretty slick. Outside of these snow bands, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures don't get too far from where they're at today. Our high yesterday was 24 degrees, the low 18. Our average high is 40 degrees. We're trending almost 20 degrees below normal, and over the next few days, we could be even much further than that. The record high today, 74. We had 1.3 inches of snow yesterday, which brings us to just over 20 inches for the month of February. Sunrise is at 7:06 a.m. and sunset at 6:14 p.m. Our forecast for today, not going to get very warm. A high of 15 with some lake effect snow around through much of the day. Winds will be out of the west-northwest through a good part of the day. They do look, though, to come out of the southwest later on this afternoon and evening. That should shut off the lake effect. We'll have lake effect snow around at 7 a.m. anywhere right around 9 to 10 degrees, or around 14, though, for much of the day with lake effect snow going through the afternoon. For your commute home, I think we may get a break from the snow with mainly cloudy skies. Overnight tonight, another disturbance is going to move in towards daybreak. We'll be mostly cloudy through the evening as temperatures fall to around 8 degrees. Outside of town, you could get a little bit cooler than that. Winds will pick up out of the southwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour, so it will be breezy. Wind chills by Thursday morning will be below zero, probably anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees below zero, with snow showers around for your commute to work. On the 7-day forecast here, snow showers around for Thursday through a good part of the day. We look to see a few inches of snow off of this. 14 should be a high. We'll go down to about 0 for Thursday night with snow tapering off. Mostly sunny for your Friday as high pressure rotates through the area. It's not going to get much warmer because it's an Arctic high pressure, so a high of 16 is in store. Then as we get into Saturday, we look to see some scattered morning snows. A weak disturbance moves through Friday night. Saturday's high warmer, 33, with mainly cloudy skies after that snow ends. And then we get into this difficult period in which we have this odd forecast for Sunday. Saturday night, we could see some snow ahead of a panhandle hook system that's going to move through our area. Looks like on Sunday, mainly more in the afternoon now. We'll have to keep a very close eye on this. This could actually push till a little bit later on Sunday or Sunday night, so stay tuned for the latest. Regardless, it's going to start out with some snow first, and then it looks like we're going to see things change over to a mix, either of snow or sleet, or we may even move to more freezing rain. So we'll have to keep a very close eye on this. It's going to be windy with this system, a high 34, very tricky forecast. Any mixing changes over to snow and then quickly dissipates Sunday night. Windy for your Monday behind this system, cooler, mostly cloudy 24. Some scattered snow showers for your Tuesday with a high of 22 degrees. Be sure to stay with NeoWeather.com for the very latest forecast and all the updates on this weekend's potentially major winter storm.